Do you want to know how to qualify for the BullX Neo airdrop? Well, in this video, I will show you the prerequisites and requirements to do that. So first, go ahead and head over to your BullX account. Click on the sidebar, and in here, go ahead and click on airdrop, and that will take you into this section. So you can see in here the details we have in here, the pool as well as the rank, and we also have in here the early bird option. So for this one, as you can see, I have missed the early bird airdrop and I'm not eligible anymore for this right there, but we can head over right here to the pool, and then we can head over and then just go and then climb the leaderboard for this one. You actually need to join that specific event to be able to qualify for BullX Neo airdrop, and once you have entered the leaderboard for that BullX Neo airdrop event, you'll be able to qualify for the airdrop and receive it on your account, and that is how you can basically qualify for the BullX airdrop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.